Hello everybody, and welcome to part 5 of our series to make an Avalanche game. Now this video is going to be a bit shorter since the reason I'm making this video is because I forgot to do something a few videos ago on the third video, which is I forgot to make this button teleport me back to the start. As right now, if we were to play it, let me show you. Right now, when we click the button, we'll actually not be teleported back, and we'll just stay there. So we'll just be able to click it and get infinite points. Let me show you if I can get to the top. Okay. You can see how we're not going back. It's just infinite points. There's no challenge to it. So, we need to fix this. And the way we're going to do this is we're actually going to use this right here, this one. Open up your script that looks somewhat like this, the one where we made our leader stats and point system in. So what we're gonna do is, first thing actually, we're gonna want to make a new part, and well, you can make it whatever shape you want, and it can look however you want, because all it's gonna be is something that we'll use as a position for our players to teleport to. So you can turn its transparency to full and its cancel light off. So put this part wherever you want a player to spawn whenever they hit that button. And always put it off the ground. If it's on the ground, people will be teleported and their legs will be stuck in the ground and it won't be fun. So put it a bit upwards. And of course, make sure it is anchored. You can do that right here or in the properties tab. And then rename it to anything. I'm just going to rename it to starting point. And then open your script back up, the one that we used for leader stats and points. And then right here in our function that we made for when a player clicks the button, which is the second function, we're going to need to add something, which is simply player.character .humanoid root part .position equals game .workspace .starting point .position. .position. So what this does is, first, player.character means the player's character, as in as was what player is. Player is the form, and player is the object that is put into our player's item in the Explorer. So look at the Explorer. Let me show you. So when a player joins the game, a new player object is put into the players. However, that's not the player's character or avatar. The player's character or avatar is put into the workspace. So pretty much what the player.character is the form of them that is in the workspace, which is their physical form. And then pretty much we're taking the humanoid root part, which is the center of the player, which when the humanoid root part moves, the entire player moves. And then we're setting its position to our starting point's position. So it's a pretty simple piece of code. That's literally it. And then when we get to the top now, instead of like just staying there to be able to get infinite points, we now actually have to work for them, because when we touch this, it teleports us back to the beginning. So yeah, that's how you can teleport a player with the touch of a button.